Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I am thrilled to be doing a collab with another YouTuber to show you some fun ways that you can use embroidery hoops. Let's get started. Today's video is a collab with an awesome DIYer. Her name is Emily from the channel Pumpkin Emily. I recently connected with her here online and I love her channel. She is so creative and I'm always wanting to watch her videos to learn something new. She makes the tutorials easy and fun, and she recently did one on a cactus that I think is awesome. Make sure after you watch this video, you head on over to her channel and check out her other ways to use embroidery hoops, and make sure you subscribe. If you're coming over here from her channel, thank you so much and welcome. I'm glad to have you. Here at Everyday Mama, we do organizing. We also do things such as crafts and much more. I'm glad you stopped by. Now that the introductions have been made, let's get started with the DIYs. This first one uses an embroidery hoop and some fabric for wall decor. First, you're going to separate the embroidery hoop and you're going to take the fabric and lay it over the inside piece. Once you've placed it where you would like it, you take the outside hoop and you push it down. You find that gold piece at the end and you screw it together to make it tight. Now you take your scissors and cut around the excess amount. You can pull the fabric taut while you're cutting to give it a clean cut. And there you have it. Simple, easy decor. Find a nail or a command hook and hang it up on your wall. As you can see, I made a collage of different ones in my laundry room. The second one uses an embroidery hoop and some burlap ribbon to make a wreath. The first step is to separate the hoops and to place the ribbon of your choice over the outside hoop. Now you'll take the inside piece and push it down. This anchors the ribbon in the wreath. Once you've tightened the screw, you can simply begin wrapping the ribbon around the hoop. You can do this as tight or as loose as you would like, and you can fluff it out as you go. I have even heard of people stuffing socks or toilet paper rolls inside the ribbon to make it stay a certain shape. Once you get to the end, you can either take those two pieces and tie them into a bow, or you can do what I'm going to do here and just stuff them in to the back piece. And here you have it, a simple wreath. You can use any size embroidery hoop, hang this on the front door of your home, or just find a nail on a wall. You can also add it to a shelf to add a pop of color to your decor. This last one uses an embroidery hoop and a pillowcase to make a laundry hamper. First, you take the inside hoop and you take the open-ended side of the pillowcase, bring it up through that hoop, and put it over the sides. Then you take the outside hoop and you close it down over top. The final step is just to screw in the screw tightly and you've got yourself a laundry hamper. You can hang this up on the wall or on the back of a door in your child's room. It's also good to hold extra bags in the pantry of the kitchen. I have one in my laundry room to hold the lint. Well, I hope you've enjoyed these 3 ways to use embroidery hoops in your home. Now head on over to Pumpkin Emily's channel and check out her 3 ways. Until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy.